Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing innovations in science, DNA data storage. Imagine saving the entire internet inside living cells, where microscopic strands of DNA hold more information than any hard drive ever could. From tech companies to genetic engineers, everyone's exploring how biology can revolutionize digital storage. Stay tuned as we uncover how this futuristic idea could change everything we know about data. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech insights. Number 5, the concept of DNA data storage. DNA data storage is a groundbreaking technology that uses the molecular structure of DNA to encode and store digital information. Instead of relying on magnetic or electronic media like hard drives and flash storage, this method translates binary code, zeros and ones, into the 4 nucleotide bases of DNA: adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C, and guanine G. Each combination of these bases represents a small piece of data, and when sequenced together, they form a biological database capable of holding vast amounts of information. The process begins with encoding digital files into a DNA sequence, which is then synthesized into real DNA strands in a laboratory. These strands can later be read using DNA sequencing technology to retrieve the stored data accurately. DNA is nature's most efficient storage system, having preserved genetic information for billions of years in living organisms. Using this same principle for digital storage represents an extraordinary advancement. The appeal of DNA as a storage medium lies in its incredible density, durability, and longevity. It's compact enough to hold libraries worth of data in a few drops of liquid. In essence, DNA data storage transforms biological molecules into living, resilient hard drives of the future. Number 4, immense storage capacity. One of the most astonishing features of DNA data storage is its unmatched capacity. Traditional digital storage devices like hard drives, solid-state drives, and cloud servers are limited by physical size and material constraints. DNA, however, offers storage density on an entirely different scale. Scientists estimate that 1 gram of DNA can hold over 200 petabytes, 200 million gigabytes of information. To put that into perspective, this amount could store all the data currently on the internet in just a few kilograms of DNA. The reason behind this massive capacity lies in the molecular structure of DNA, which packs information at the atomic level. Each nucleotide or base represents 2 bits of information, and a single DNA molecule contains billions of nucleotides. Unlike silicon chips, which require large physical space to store increasing amounts of data, DNA molecules are naturally compact and highly efficient. This immense storage potential could revolutionize data centers, reducing their physical footprint dramatically while storing exponentially more information. As global data generation continues to grow at an unprecedented rate, DNA's vast storage capacity may provide the only scalable solution to the world's digital overload. Number 3, longevity and stability. DNA's most remarkable quality is its incredible longevity and stability. Unlike hard drives or magnetic tapes that degrade within decades, DNA can preserve data for thousands, even tens of thousands of years, if kept under proper conditions. Scientists have successfully extracted readable genetic material from ancient remains, such as mammoths and Neanderthals, proving its resilience over millennia. This durability comes from DNA's chemical structure, which can remain intact in dry, cool, and dark environments. When used for data storage, synthetic DNA can be sealed in glass or silicon capsules to prevent environmental damage, ensuring that information stays preserved for generations. In comparison, digital storage technologies face constant obsolescence, with formats and hardware evolving every few years. DNA, however, is a universal code that will always be readable as long as life itself exists. This makes it the perfect candidate for long-term archival of critical human knowledge, from cultural records to scientific research. Its combination of stability, compactness, and readability positions DNA storage as a permanent, future-proof solution for humanity's growing digital memory. Number 2, reading and writing process. The process of storing and retrieving data using DNA involves 2 main steps: writing and reading. To write data, digital information is first converted into a DNA sequence by encoding binary digits, zeros and ones, into combinations of the 4 DNA bases, A, T, C, and G. Specialized machines called DNA synthesizers then create physical strands of DNA containing this encoded sequence. Once synthesized, the DNA strands can be stored in a stable medium, often in tiny test tubes or on microchips. When the data needs to be accessed, scientists use DNA sequencing technology to read the genetic code and convert it back into digital form. This process is similar to how geneticists read the DNA of living organisms to study genes. Although DNA data storage is still in its early stages, the accuracy of reading and writing has improved significantly due to advancements in biotechnology. Current challenges involve the speed and cost of synthesis and sequencing, but with rapid progress, these barriers are expected to fall. Essentially, DNA acts as a natural information tape, compact, durable, and precise, transforming how humanity records and retrieves its digital history. Number 1. The future of data preservation. The future of DNA data storage holds enormous promise for global information preservation. As the digital universe expands, the need for a sustainable, long-lasting, and efficient storage solution becomes critical. DNA, with its unmatched density and endurance, offers the perfect medium for this purpose. Future data centers may no longer require vast warehouses filled with servers. Instead, they could store the same amount of data in a few grams of DNA. This shift would not only save physical space, but also drastically reduce energy consumption and environmental impact. Furthermore, DNA storage could protect humanity's most valuable information from technological decay and natural disasters. Imagine archiving all human knowledge, culture, and science in a form that can last for thousands of years, immune to electromagnetic failure or digital corruption. As research advances, the cost of DNA synthesis and sequencing is rapidly decreasing, making widespread adoption increasingly feasible. Eventually, DNA may replace traditional storage systems, creating an era where biological molecules serve as the foundation of human memory. The future of data preservation is not mechanical. It's molecular, encoded in the language of life itself. Thanks for watching. DNA data storage is shaping up to be the next big leap in how humanity preserves knowledge and information. If you enjoyed learning about this fascinating technology, make sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more future tech content.